हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। हम कोर्स कर रहे हैं वैदिक मैथ का। आज मैं ट्रिक लेकर आई हूँ, वो है 100 ईयर कैलेंडर्स। मींस एनीबडी विल आस्क यू एनी डेट फ्रॉम दिस सेंचुरी, जस्ट लाइक 2nd February 1992, 25 June 1995. You will be able to tell the day on which the date occurred. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So let's begin. Here you can see I have taken 12 months. Okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And we assigned a key here to each month. Just like 1 is for January, 4 is for February, 4 is for March, 0 for April, 2 is for May, 5 is for June, like this. 144025036 You have to remember this key. Okay, this is known as the month key because we are assigning this key to month. Easiest way to remember this key, you can remember like this: 144 is 12 square, 025 is 5 square, 036 is 6 square, and in last 146. Using this month key, we will do some calculations. After that, we will get the remainder, and on the basis of the remainder, we will be able to tell the day. Just like if remainder will be 1, our answer will be Sunday. 2 for Monday, 3 is for Tuesday, 4 is for Wednesday, 5 is for Thursday, 6 is for Friday, and 0 is for Saturday. So let's begin. Steps written over here, how we will proceed. First of all, we will take year. After that, add number of leap year. We will add month key from here. We will add the date which is given to us. Divide total by 7. We will add all these 4, and after that we will divide by 7 and we will find the remainder. What remainder will come? That will tell us the day. Okay, step by step karte hain. Let's take one example. These are the same steps written over here. Okay, let's say we have to find the day on 1st January 1941. So what we will do, we will take the last 2 digits of the year. Just like 41 is here, so we will take 41, right? And after that, we will add the number of leap years. How you will find the leap years? You know, leap year comes after every 4 years, and we will start from 1901, राइट। उसके लिए आप क्या करो, सबसे इजी तरीका, तो आपको ईयर दिया है उसको 4 से डिवाइड कर लो, जो भी क्वोशिएंट आएगा दैट विल बी द नंबर ऑफ लीप ईयर। इफ यू विल डिवाइड 41 by 4, राइट, तो क्वोशिएंट विल बी 10। you will write 10 here, and after that we will add month key for January because 1st January, right? For January month key 1, you will add 1, and after that we will add the date which is given in the question. Question में क्या date दी है? 1st January. So we will add first 1. We will add 1 here, right? सबसे पहले हमने लिया year. Year क्या है? 41, right? 41 देखते ही हमने देखा कितने लीप ईयर है इसमें। 41 में लीप ईयर कितने हैं? 10. 41 plus 10 will be 51. After that we add month key. Month key is 1 for January, so we will add 1. 41 plus 10, 51 plus 1, 52. And then we will add 1, which is the date given. First is 1 is given here, so we will add 1. Total will be 53. जो टोटल आएगा उसको हमें डिवाइड करना है 7 से, और उसके बाद हमें निकालना है रिमाइंडर। When 53 is divided by 7, the remainder is 4. And 4 is Wednesday. I told you 4 is Wednesday. जो भी हमारा रिमाइंडर है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारा कौन सा डे है? Wednesday. So hence 1st January 1941 is Wednesday. In this way you can easily find the day on that date. Let's say we have to find the day on 26 June 1983. First of all, we will take the year 83. Easy. Then we'll find the number of leap years from 1901 to 1980. How many leap year will be there? 1901 to 1980. There will be 20 leap years. As I told you, you can divide 83 by 4 and 20 will be quotient. So you can write 20. Then month is June. For June, what is the month key? For June, month key is 5, right? So, and our date, which is given 26. You will write 26. After that, you will add all these 83 plus 20 plus 5 plus 26. This 83, this 20, month key is 5, and date is 26. Add all these. We will add. The final total is 134. When we will divide 134 by 7, we will get a remainder of 1. Remainder is 1. For remainder 1, what will be the day? Sunday. So our final answer is Sunday. 26 June 1983 was a Sunday. In this way, you can easily tell the day. जस्ट लिटिल प्रैक्टिस चाहिए। सबसे पहले ईयर देखना है, ईयर क्या है, लीप ईयर फाइंड आउट करना है, उसके अंदर मंथ की ऐड करनी है, मंथ की ऐड करने के बाद आप डेट ऐड करोगे, टोटल को 7 से डिवाइड करना है, जो रिमाइंडर आएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू कैन टेल द डे। इट्स वेरी इजी। लेट्स डू वन मोर एग्जांपल। व्हाट इज द डे ऑन 15th अगस्त 1947? हमने क्या देखा? 1947। ईयर क्या है हमारा? 47। सबसे पहले हमने लिया 47। लीप ईयर्स कितने होंगे हमारे पास? 11। 47 डिवाइड बाय 4, क्वोशंट विल बी 11। मंथ की फॉर अगस्त, मंथ की फॉर अगस्त इज 3, राइट 3 here. What is date given? 15. Add all these 4. 47 plus 11 will be 58. 58 plus 3 will be 61. 61 plus 15 will be 76. So when we will divide 76 by 7, it will give a remainder of 6. And for 6, our day will be Friday. Very easy. So in this way, you can find the day. अगर मेरी वीडियोस पसंद आ रही हैं तो प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। हम ऐसे ही नई नई ट्रिक के साथ आते रहेंगे। ओके, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। जस्ट ट्राई इट and find the day on this date, okay, and put your answers in comment box. Thank you so much. कल मिलते हैं एक नई ट्रिक के साथ।